Good morning, candidate number 10.
Good morning, sir, as well.
Ito ang tanong ko. Kung ikaw ay bibigyan ng isa pang pagkakataon na mabuhay dito sa mundong ibabaw, mas pipiliin mo ba na maging isang tunay na babae?
Thank you for that very timely question, sir. One and foremost, I would like to grab the opportunity to thank the panel of judges for choosing me one of the top 7 semi-finalists. Thank you, ma'am, sir. You know, ladies and gentlemen, I always believe for a fact that each and every Filipino or candidate tonight, there are all different opinions in that particular question. And I always believe that there is no right or even a wrong answer. But if your answer came from within your heart, yes, that was definitely correct. The question flows this way. If I were given a chance to live again someday, if I will accept the chance to become a real woman, you know, ladies and gentlemen, I will accept if I were given a chance to live again as a woman. Why? Because I always believe that gender is not a singular in this world. Either you're a man, a woman, a lesbian or a transgender, brother a bisexual, it doesn't matter if you are different gender. What matters most is you know what is your responsibility in life. And you know what is the best thing that we can do in this world. I always believe, even though I can prove to each and every Filipino people that each and every gay can be also an asset in this world. Thank you.